21.
20. IA number 20 filed by under section 26 of so and so, and all that is allowed. The child psychiatrist counselor, the doctor is appointed to ascertain the mental well-being and emotion of the child. The petitioner.
What compelled the court to pass this order?
The family court passed the order. Now there has been child, my lord,
The age of the child?
14 years.
14 years.
And he's studying, he's a ninth standard boy studying, comfortable very well. In fact, the difficulty and problem arose is the mother doesn't allow the child to talk to the father or allow to go. There are about 10 times orders came to be passed for the custody of the child. Never allow. And ultimately, the last order was there, my lord. He went to the house. The gate was locked from the inside. Child says, I'm not coming. In fact, the child was brought before this honorable court, my lord, and he was questioned. And judge passed an order. Child is ready to go to the father also. That order is there. If time permits, can even summon the child also and see. This is the manner it is taking place. Being the father is unable to.
We'll just see
Yes,
what made the court to pass this order. Read from point number 7.
Yes,
It's,
ma'am.
para number 7.
7. Yes, ma'am.
May I-
The relationship is admitted. It is not in dispute that the marriage of the petitioner and the respondent was dissolved in MC number so and so. It is an undisputed fact and that the child is under the care and custody of the respondent mother. According to the petitioner, it is the respondent who.
So what is the present situation? The boy wants to come to the father.
No, my lord. My lord, even after, my lord, what are the facts senior counsel has stated? After that, my lord, he has filed an application before the vacating court, in the trial court. There the child was summoned. Child was interrogated. The interaction with the child was taken place with the judge. My lord, he specifically states before that he doesn't want to meet the father because after 10 long years, he has appeared before in his life and he has an exams to attend. Even on the exams day, my lord, he would file an application stating that he need for a birthday. All those things has been created, my lord. My lord, this application was filed by me, stating that how child psychology has been affected due to these proceedings. I am not interfering. I am not saying that I am not going to send. It's
How are you agreed by this order? It would be in your interest.
yes,
if-
my lord. That
Perhaps I may give up the claiming. If this is the way the child is allowed to go there, my lord, I am only disturbed because he's 14 years. He mind may be unnecessarily disturbed. Not that I refuse to do it. Last may kindly see. Ultimately, the quarrel between the father and.
It is like this.
Sorry?
According to the mother,
Yes.
she is not like.
restraining, my lord. My lord, child himself, my lord, I stated
Please
before the
wait,
judge.
please wait.
I have several photographs.
My lord, I'll bring the order sheet.
Please understand.
Sorry.
No, according to the mother, that she is not coming in the way of the child meeting the father. That is the case of the mother. According to you, the child is somehow trying to influence him and see that the child does not meet the father. So now the court nor anybody can understand what exactly is happening to the child. Now going to a psychiatrist or going to a medical help is not something, a kind of an inability. Nowadays, brain is also part of its organ in the body. How it is working, only the professional can know that. There is nothing wrong. If the mother is trying to impress him or trying to make him, take a different way towards the father, the doctor will say it will help the relation to grow.
Yes. For that purpose alone, you will have to even summon the child and speak to the child and know it is not psychiatrist. Not that I'm worried of going to the psychiatrist. The boy should be sent there. Reasons are nowadays, the things are much more.
You said he has come before the court.
Yes,
When
my
did
lord.
he
Yes,
come?
He has come here.
Twice.
He had-
My lord, there were two
One
petitions.
night.
Yes, I did.
Father has come, child has come to this honorable court, met the judge.
No, where is that? Anything was recorded?
My lord, serial number 8 is also pertaining to the same case. In serial number 8 also child was summoned.
See that?
Serial number 8 also, my lord.
Please view that. So was it recorded by the legislator?
Yes, my lord.
What
My
was
lord,
recorded?
initially the child said he doesn't want to interfere.
Can
In
you
serial
leave
number
this matter day after tomorrow?
please,
Let both the parents along with the child be present before
my
the
lord,
court.
have it on any Saturday. My lord, child has school. Difficulty is that, my lord, any Saturday
What is
chamber
that
conciliation.
what are you saying? Saturday, why the court will sit for
No,
you?
my lord, a chamber conciliation for the child, my lord, that's it.
If you don't want, the court can't help it.
My lord, we want, my lord, but difficulty is, yes, school.
How can it be? How can you expect the court to sit for you on Saturday?
In that case, my lord, my submission is after 4 o'clock, my lord.
That's what it will be, 5
Please,
o'clock.
5 o'clock, please, my lord. I'll bring the child.
Yes.
5 p.m.
On this matter
Yeah.
on day after tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the chambers, and
Please.
both the parents along with the child shall be present.
Please.
Yes, next.
Please.
List number 2, parted matter, sale number 1, Harish Bandari,
One sub, sorry, Milan. There is three, seal number 8 is also there.
List along with serial number.
Along
8.
with that. Please. Please.
Yes.
One submission, serial number 20.